issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Caddo Parish, northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Harrison County, and northeastern Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Emerson Fields, or 8 miles southeast of Marshall, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
Someone's having issues.
Hazard, 70 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Shreveport, Marshall, Greenwood, Blanford, Grafton, Wilkes, Belcher, Henderson Fields, Scottsville, Dixie, Saddle Lake, Cross Lake, Caddo, Reed, at Central Daylight Time from northwestern Louisiana and northeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time from northwestern Louisiana and northeastern Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm
Is that them?
warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Caddo, Louisiana, and Harrison, Texas.
And of course, they're talking about sports. Man, this is crazy. That's my chair. Don't know why it always likes to fart, but whatever. So, yikes. And it looks like... Dang. So yeah, that is going to be Caddo and Harrison. Bam. Oh, that's going right for Shreveport. Oh, going north of it, but that's right next to Shreveport. It's the same county as Shreveport. Or, sorry, parish. But yeah.